Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on Android's screen pinning feature so you can lock a single app. Go to Settings, search Security and Privacy or Lock Screen and Security, enable screen pinning or pin windows. Once done, choose whether unpinning requires your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint so someone can't exit the app. You're now ready to pin an app. Keep your target app open and visible. This initial step ensures the system supports pinning before you proceed to lock the app. You pin the app from the Overview or Recent screen. With the app open, tap the Overview button or gesture to show recent apps. Once you see the app card, tap the pin icon in the bottom right or use the three-dot menu and select Pin. Confirm the system prompt. If you required credentials to unpin, that will be presented. After pinning, try pressing Home or back to verify you cannot leave the app. This confirms the pin is active and working as intended. To unpin, follow the device-specific gesture. Commonly hold back and Overview together or use the credential prompt if set. If nothing happens, reboot the phone and retry enabling screen pinning in Settings because some overlays or accessibility apps can block pinning. Make sure no screen recorder or launcher override is active. Once disabled, pinning will work. If you still can't pin, check your phone maker's UI. Samsung or Pixel may label the feature differently or remove interfering apps, then repeat the pin process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.